The Bowling Party by Teresa Klividence, illustrated by Travis Schaefer. Lou and Chantel are excited. Their class won a reading contest. They won the grand prize. The grand prize was a bowling party. At the bowling alley, Lou and Chantel see the bowling balls. The balls are sitting in the rack. They are not moving. Lou asks Chantel why the balls are resting in the rack. Chantel reminds Lou about the first law of motion. The first law of motion says that an object at rest will stay at rest unless something happens to it. Chantel tells Lou that the bowling ball is going to stay resting in the rack. Lou needs to do something to the bowling ball to make it move. Lou thinks about this. The bowling ball stays at rest unless something happens to it. He looks at the bowling pins. They are not moving. Lou thinks that the pins will stay at rest unless something happens to the pins. What can Lou do to make the ball and the pins move? Lou knows. Lou picks up the ball and rolls it down the lane. The ball is moving. It worked. The moving ball hits the pins and now the pins are moving. Strike! The moving ball knocked all of the pins down. Lou and Chantel had a great time using the first law of motion to go bowling. They are glad to make the ball move. They are glad to make the pins move. That is much more fun than just watching the ball and pins at rest. The end.